So let's take a look at the mineral demand which is needed to get the world to net zero by 2050. The bulk there that you can see in blue is for EVs and batteries, and the darker blue is for electricity networks. So estimates are that we will need 6 times the amount of minerals compared to now, 2020 to 2050. John, let me ask you. So this is one of the main reasons, isn't it, that that mineral demand is high, and that, as President Lai explained, that it's now become part of great power competition.
Yes, yes. I mean, it's absolutely so. The United States does have access to rare earth minerals. It's just that it's insanely pollutive to try to access them on land. And the idea of there being these potato-sized nodules just laying out there on the ocean floor, or maybe just below, is extremely attractive to the idea of being able to scoop up those and extract them in such a way that doesn't involve just absolutely poisoning the earth. In China, to a large extent.
But however, they're looking at the environmental damage that would be caused to the sea.
Yes.
I mean, right now, isn't it?
That's the thing. So extracting it from the ground, from the terrestrial ground, is an extremely pollutive process, and scooping it up out of the ocean has other risks. And the thing about wanting to have a clean, in terms of dealing with climate damage, in terms of the warming world, as it were, it's super important to be able to deal with that and have the metals that are necessary, but without just absolutely wrecking our environment on land and in the ocean. And that's a huge concern for the U.S. But strategically speaking, being absolutely beholden to one country is something that I think probably the U.S. and many other countries don't think is sustainable.